For my next video, I'd like to do one for the company SMARTDEVIL and their Smart Pull screen protector. So this is called a Smart Pull, and they give you a box and everything. This is what I like to call an idiot-proof screen protector. This come a long way from the days that you had to use tape and line it up perfectly. So I'm going to do this right in front of the camera. It's that simple. You get 3 of them. Okay, the trick, if there even is one, you want to put it just like it says through the case. The phone goes face down, and this is a Samsung S25 Ultra. First step is always clean. Cleaning's always been the key to success on all my screen protectors, but this one has an automatic. You really don't even need to do this step, but I still do it just in case. This has a pull. As you pull, it cleans it, takes anything off of it, and then as you continue to pull, it lays the screen protector on. So somebody was really thinking when they finally made these things as idiot-proof as they are now. So I put a light on them because I like to see if there's any impurities. And then I get a microfiber cloth and I'll go over it. You don't need to do this step. Again, this is just something that I've always done that makes your screen protectors flawless when you put them on. It's nothing worse than a crooked or a bubbled up screen protector. That just drives me crazy. So looks good. So we'll put that down. We're going to put it face down, push it in, make sure it's seated. Push this down, press here. Now you're going to pull, you're going to pull, you're going to pull. The first film is the cleaning film. The second one, then the last one, is the actual film off of the back of the screen protector. You want to pull the tabs off at the top. You don't want to pull the screen protector that you just did off. That's kind of a trick too, a key. So I take that off, and I have one small little bubble. We wipe it out, and it's absolutely perfect. Flawless screen protector installation. That fast. What was that? 2.5 minutes. So let's get into some tech specs on this. This is the company SMARTDEVIL tempered glass, 9 hardness. And this is for the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. I imagine it would also fit on the S24 Ultra. There's no differences in those screen sizes. So don't take my word for it. Double check it, ask them, but I'm almost positive that it'd work on that as well. So we have quick and easy installation. Say goodbye to installation hassles. SMARTDEVIL screen protector attaches effortlessly in just a few steps for a perfect fit, and without any dust, bubble-free every time. It's a military-grade scratch-proof 9H hardness and 5 times stronger scratch-resistant SMARTDEVIL tempered glass for Galaxy screen protector film made of nano-sized, super-strong, shatterproof tempered glass material. SMARTDEVIL Lab has tested thousands of times. Even if the edge of the tempered film is squeezed more than 10,000 times, it will not break or scratch. Certified by GSS, SGS, its hardness has far exceeded the other screen protectors on the market. It's a perfect fit for the S25 Ultra. The screen protector is meticulously designed to provide a perfect fit for your S25 Ultra. Enjoy seamless coverage and protection for your device. Support fingerprint reader and response touch. Enjoy the same touch-sensitive feel and response on your Galaxy as you would with the original screen. Compatible with face recognition and fingerprint reader. And again, this is for the Galaxy S25 Ultra and probably also the S24 Ultra. And it's made by SMARTDEVIL. I'll put a link in the description on where to buy. So I hope you found my video to be helpful. Thank you for being here. Please click like and subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment down below. Thank you for your time, and until next time, I'm out.